Inspire me, nutrition. The old saying, "You are what you eat," should remind us about our food choices every time we purchase groceries or order a meal when eating out. Yet, the overwhelming information presented to us, and the complexity of the ingredients in the food we buy often, does not allow us to understand exactly what we are eating. So we consume what we like, and sometimes even believe we've made the right healthy choices. Our bodies and our brains adjust to what we are feeding them, and they both compensate as much as they can. But at a certain point, our bodies cannot cope anymore and they become sick. Eating and nutrition are much more complicated than simply knowing the nutritional value of some foods and the harmful effects of others. Ask yourself, do I know what I eat? Why do I eat? Am I really hungry? Am I eating out of boredom? Am I stressed or frustrated? In the module, The Mind, we learned that negative past experiences can trigger unhealthy behavior, including overeating. We often eat to cope with sadness, despair, anger, loneliness, and negative past experiences. In the chapter about the external factors, we examined how poor food habits are related to the availability of unhealthy choices, convenience, lack of time, and laziness to cook. We also discussed how social acceptance influences our choices. In the first part of this journey, you will familiarize yourself with the physiological aspects. We will illustrate some basics of the digestive process and macronutrients such as carbohydrates, protein, and fat. We will also look at estimating your own needs and understanding the process of satiation.
We will address the psychology of eating and discuss understanding physical and psychological food addiction. Eating to soothe our emotions, to reward our achievements, to numb our feelings, and as a way to de-stress. We will present some healing techniques such as journaling, intuitive eating, eating everything you like, meditation, mindfulness, and some cognitive behavioral techniques.
We will illustrate the developments in the food industry over the last 100 years, and how this has affected us. We will gain an understanding of changes in the types of food and food availability in a historical context. We will learn about some gaps between authorities' recommendations and actual consumption of selected nutrients. We also present case studies to enable you to make a more informed choice. We will illustrate labeling, ingredients list, and nutrition information based on few selected products like chips, cookies, instant noodles, instant coffee, and drinking yogurt. A workbook with various exercises will accompany this journey. You can share some of the exercises with us, if you feel like. You will also be supported by a community who will engage in this journey. You can learn from each other, present your achievements, and discuss your struggles. This journey may sound overwhelming, but step by step you will make it.